This is Boy2 at 2 weeks old. Come on, honey, let the people see you. Come on. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, sweetie. Come on. Hi there. Hi. You are so cute. Yes, you are. Hi. Hi there. Hi there, sweetie. Yeah. Can you stretch out a little bit so people can see you better? It's kind of hard to see you when you're so little like this. Okay, how about the other side? Can we turn you around to the other way? Yeah, there we go. Hi. Hi there, sweetie. Oh, did you know how cute you are? You are so cute. Yes, you are. Yeah, you're about the size of my hand. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there, cutie. Yeah. Oh, hi there. Hi. Oh, yeah.